War wounds. Getting the
This one's tight.
power steering back on here.
This one. You got shorter.
We didn't do anything too bad. The engine dropped once. Nothing broke, so we're all good. Count 400's in. I'll do a little video here when we run it, start it. Let's walk out here and look at Josh's car. He's playing with Mega Squirt right now. He's tuning cold start, I think. Say hi, you're being captured on film.
No, the sun is really bright.
Sorry. Start it. Okay, I'm running out of film here, buddy. There we go.
Running out of film.
I only have so much disc space. Try again. Oh, not quite yet. I'll report back soon.